Okay, good morning, guys.
Good morning, sir.
Why Nitin, Naveen, the strength is less. I want the response from everyone. Okay, let me see how many people are replied. Yes, guys, everyone reply hi. Okay, guys, I don't want to discuss how you people have written the internals. Okay, I don't want the explanation from you people, as I can understand few things. Okay, and my first question, guys, based on the classes handled, based on the classes handled from May 19th or 18th, I think, I don't know exactly, from 18th or 19th of May, from 18th or 19th of May, so till 26th or 25th of June, we have taken some 30 hours and we have completed more than 1.5 module. So I had completed more than 1.5 module, and guys, and to assess you people, there was first internals, I don't want how you people have performed or anything. Based on the concepts what I have taught you people, or based on the concepts what you people have listened from me, and based on the material available in MS Teams or in any other resources. It may be through Google, or it may be from your friend's college, or it may be anything from wherever it may be. You might have got the material to study, and I had given the question paper based on the previous year occurrence. Most occurring questions I have given. I don't want how you have performed. I have not seen your booklets also. I will go through it by today afternoon or tomorrow. I will go through it within 1 or 2 hours. I'm going to complete that one. It's secondary. I want you people to respond genuinely. How you felt? I don't want you people answering. How you wrote the exams? Prajwal, wait. Don't respond anything. I don't want how you people have have written all the questions, have written in one choice, have written in one choice also. Mhm. See guys, from the first 1.5 module, the first 30 marks of your question paper will be from these questions only, from VTU question paper. You'll be getting the questions which I have given in the internals only. Apart from that, there are no questions. If they ask, they may ask algorithm or flowchart or anything. So, as from the portion what I have completed till now, you can attend more than 30 marks, exactly 30 marks or 35 marks you can attend in the final examination. My question is, based on the concepts what I have taught you, based on the concepts what you have listened, and I had given the question paper, right? Question paper was sent to you yesterday. How do you feel? Whether are you people finding it easy, or are you people understanding, are you people having the confidence to take up the exam, that something is going into our brain? How are you feeling? Just respond through chat. Good, average, poor. Even we have done some 3 lab sessions for 2 hours each. That is the question paper, guys. That's the question paper which will be there even for your final exams also. How are you feeling? It was average. Others, others, pretty good. Others, Naveen Kumar, very tough. Arpita, it was good, sir. It brings confidence to write and virtual. Okay, others, nothing will bring nothing will bring confidence, virtual. Only practice. Okay. Apart from practice, nothing is going to help you people. Others, average. Others, actually, if I want to evaluate uh, this subject or this one, by the end of this semester, guys, by the end of this semester, you people won't be punters in average. By the end of this semester, you people won't be punters in programming. Some improvement will be there. Some improvement will be there, or some awareness will be there. Like, okay, this is programming. We need to write the programs like this. This is something about C programming. Not something. This is the basics. or 0.001% of C programming. This is 0.0001 atom. Right now, what you people have studied is just an atom of C programming, not modules of C programming, not one and a half module of C programming. You have not studied. You people have studied just one atom of programming. Okay, don't think big, guys. So because we need to go step by step, module by module. Next, we will be having in this module, we will be having loops, while loop, do while loop, everything will be there. Let's go through that one step by step. So, like, can I take the interaction between me and you people from May 19th till date as average or above average, not below average? Uh, okay, it's acceptable. But the response is what? Seriously, I did not go through your answer sheets, guys. I know how people will write online examinations because it may be new for you people, but it's already 3 semesters for me or any of the other faculty. We know what will be the performance level in the online assessments, so it will be better only. So out of 50, everyone will get more than 45 only, I think. If you have seriously put the effort in writing the examination, you will get more than 45 only. That will help you. Like, see, guys, that's what, even in offline classes, actually, the gift for you people is, I don't know about other subjects. With respect to CPS, it's a gift for you, online classes. If it was online classes, I could have came with a chalk, and using chalk and talk method, I could have written something on the board and I could have explained. But if you see here, for everything, I have shared an example. Okay, for this one, formatted input output, I have shared an example. For data types, I have shared an example. For variables, I have shared an example. For format specifiers, that is percentage d, percentage of, percentages, I have shared an example. And if statement, I have shared many examples. If else, nested if else, and type conversion, and nested if else switch, and everything. Actually, if it was offline classes, we could have not seen these many programs actually. If it was offline classes, if it was offline classes, if you had came down to the college, and if we were teaching people in the traditional way, not in the online mode, seriously, it could have been little bit drier. Like, because of this online platform and because of the online compiler, and there is no other work for me to sit in front of you for more than 40 minutes. So actually, it helped us to see many examples, guys. Seriously, if it was offline exams, offline classes, so I can confess that we could have not seen these many programs. Okay, okay. Seriously, actually, it's a gift. Actually, okay. Seriously, if we had the offline classes, seriously, we could have not seen these many programs. I don't know to what extent it has helped you people. And even I gave some two unit tests in the lab sessions. I had given you two unit tests in the lab sessions. Seriously confessing, I did not go through what you people have even written also. Okay, just for your improve the confidence level of you people, I did that one. And guys, here once again. See, let us go through these three question papers and let us see what we have done till now. Whether we are going in the correct way. See here, let us see go through these three question papers. See here, can you people see the screen? It's there in your MS Teams also. Pushkar,
Yes, sir.
see question. Explain the basic structure of a C program. Basic structure of a C program with an example. Define variable. Explain the rules for constructing the variables in C language. Write a simple C program to compute simple interest. Draw the flowchart of that one. Explain data type. Explain primitive data type supported by C. Operators in C. Evaluate the following expressions. Describe the various types of computers. Explain the formatted input-output functions. C program to implement commercial calculator. Different types of branching statements. See, go through the first question, second question, and the third question. This is Jan 2019 question paper.
Sir, zoom a little bit, sir.
Zoom, it's not possible, man. I have opened in MS Teams only directly. I should download it and you can go through in your MS Teams only. Sorry for the inconvenience.
Sir, it is possible here, sir, also.
Sir, there is a zoom symbol, sir, down below that file.
ಇಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ.
Sir, there is a
ಅಲ್ಲ
magnifying glass.
ಕೆಳಗೆ ಬಂತಲ್ಲ ಸರ್ ಈಗ ಜಸ್ಟ್
So there is a magnifying glass,
ಅಲ್ಲಿ
sir.
ಕೆಳಗೆ ಎಸ್ ಸರ್
Okay.
ಎಸ್ ಸರ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಫೈನ್.
Just go through the three questions. Don't go through the fourth question. Just go through these three questions. Don't go through fourth question. So I think it's done. Let's go through other question paper. We have seen Jan 2019, Jan 2020. Even 4A you can go through here. Even in this question paper you can go through 4A. In this question paper even 4A you can attend, guys, for the syllabus what we have done. Components of computer with a black diagram, types of computers, mathematical expression into C, basic structure of a C program with an example, define token, available tokens, logical operators in C, how do you describe the formatted input output, how do you explain if else in C with an relevant example, write a C program to display the grades. This is nested if else, and how to explain the switch statement. Guys, if you have laptop or computer with you people, cultivate the habit of logging in through laptop or computer, guys. Even I can do the class in mobile. Never and ever I have done that one. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಇರಬೇಕಪ್ಪ. ಏನೋ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಹೌದು ನಿಮ್ಮದು ಹ್ಞೂ ಹ್ಞೂ ಅವನೆಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಆಚೆ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ ಅವನು ಹೇಳೋಣ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಸರಿ ಬಿಡೋದು ಓಕೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಕಾಲ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಹ್ಞೂ ಹ್ಞೂ Okay, let us go through the next question paper. Block diagram of computer, explain its components, classify the following into output input devices, define the terms LAN, WAN, MAN, basic structure of a C program with a relevant example, operator, different types of operators, state whether the following are valid arguments or not. Define and write the classification of input output statements in C.
Sir,
What is huh?
sir, what is the meaning for this question, sir? Input output statement, sir.
Which one, man?
Just now you asked me, sir.
Second question, man. You need to
Classification.
differentiate. Hey, you need to differentiate. 1B, Pushkar. Differentiate into input output devices. Monitor.
No, sir. I'm asking about 3A. Same question. 3A.
Define and write the classification of input output devices. Printf, that is formatted input output.
Sir, in that we need to describe about scanf and printf, sir.
That's it. Those are the input and output statements, right?
Yes, sir.
Hey, see here, whether they may ask input output statements or formatted input output statements, you need to write printf and scanf only.
Oh, okay, sir.
Next, to explain the branching statements with syntax and example. Okay. Now, guys, by going through the question paper, I displayed the question paper to you people right now. At least from the 3 questions, how do you feel? Can you perform out of 30? How much you might score, guys? Okay, out of 30, how many marks you can score easily from the knowledge what you people are having right now, not by preparing, sir, not by preparing, boys. From the knowledge what you people have gained from these classes, how many questions you can attend? Out of 30, how much you can score? From 1, 2, and 3. From the question 1, 2, and 3, how many marks you can score? So Kritika is having the confidence that out of 100, it is 75, 80. She is going to score more than 80. If you score, it will be good mark. Upcoming classes are a little bit easier because you people are having now a grip or awareness about programming, right? So now we can go a little bit faster. We can speed up the things. Others, it's not only Kritika or me or Pushkar. By going through those 3 question papers, about 20. Others, not only Kritika, Nitin, Monisha, Naveen, 26, sir. What, Naveen, you violated yourself. Hey, Naveen, what is the difference between the questions what I gave in the internals and what I gave for the, what is the pattern? If there is there any change in the pattern between the questions what I asked in the internals and what it has been given in the final exam?
They are similar only, sir.
Hmm?
They are similar, sir.
Huh?
Like you give, they are similar, sir.
Similar only.
Yes, sir. You in internals you gave more theoretical questions, sir. Here mostly applications are given.
First module, first question, anywhere you go, those questions only. From now on, Naveen, from now on you won't get any theory questions only. Okay.
Okay, sir.
First module, first half, that is 1 ABC, it is theory only. 2 ABC, little bit of theory, little bit of syntax, and a little bit of programming. 3A, 50% theory, 50% programming. Fourth question, 50% programming, 50% theory. Explain the syntax. An example for loop, while loop, do while loop, quadratic equation program, everything. Fifth module, some 40% theory, 60% programming. When it comes to the final module, fifth module, it is like 20% theory, 80% programming. Things will improve. Just wait now. One fine point will come in your syllabus in the fifth module. You won't get any theory question only. It will be all programming. Should go step by step. Guys, the normal human tendency, your own reply hi. Yeah, ready by myself. Guys, here, how many of you are having your younger siblings? Don't reply. Just keep that in your, keep that for your discussion. See, guys, the normal human tendency is when we start a new thing, when we start anything new, it will be tough for us to accept, even the online classes also. even the online classes also. First it was very tough for us to accept. Okay, now we people are a little bit coping up with these writing pads and everything. We are able to cope up. If you have younger siblings or any cousins or your neighbors staying next to you, people are staying in your house, younger siblings, if they are studying 8th or 9th standard or 10th standard or first PU, who are younger than you people, if you open their textbooks, if you open their physics or textbooks or maths or any of the other subjects, if, even though you or me, if we have passed that subject or if we had failed that subject, okay, take it as maths only, guys. Most of us might have failed in mathematics ninth. So if we see that textbook now, or if we see those problems now, it is like damn easy, right? Guys, if you people attempt a 10th examination now, 3 years after you pass it, you will get the confidence that you can get out of it in all the subjects or not. Yes or no? Hey, just you, if you have any of your siblings, younger siblings, or anyone in your home, just open the textbook and see. Or if they come with a doubt to you people, what is your attitude? Hey, this one, hey, this is very simple, man. I don't know why you are struggling like this. But when we were in ninth, we would have been failed in that subject. Okay. Now in your first sum, guys, like that, guys, the things will improve. Okay, the things won't deteriorate. First, it will be tough for us to accept anything. As days goes on, it will improve. So coming to the today's lab session in the afternoon. So guys, those who people have the facility of a laptop or a desktop with you people, please log in through desktop or laptop only. Don't log in through mobile. Okay. Guys, I will start the lab session in the afternoon. Log in through the laptop or desktop if you have the facility. If you don't have the facility, you can log in through the mobile only. Let us start the loops, guys. We also seen the if else. Let us see the loops. We have many loops. First one is for loop, while loop, do while loop. Let us start the for loop and let us see how the things go ahead. Okay. Okay, guys. Thank you. Thank you. Prepare well, Ashte.